press the gear.
Just go, just go.
Don't work, I'm not gonna kill you. Off the belly, land it. Who's brighter, me or you?
I can't light mine up because it's on throttle.
He has two burners in his. He has one on the side.
Whoa, wait, you have 2 burners?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the side.
You can't see it, they're on the side.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
That's the right way to do it. No thruster down.
Dang, that's bright. That's bright.
I've been ready to go for the past like 5 minutes. Don't tap me on my plane, Mike. Why do you just make that weird noise?
It's the initializes that way sometimes.
Look at my stroke, those look cool. Mike, how do you go so far?
Because then I want to do a vertical takeoff.
You don't need that much runway though.
We got no wind now, we got to take full advantage.
Go, 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 go.
I'll pull ahead right so you can turn.
And you have a short turning radius.
Alright. Ready?
Go, I'll go behind you. I'm right behind you.
Who was that?
That was me.
Low pass from the left.
I
Go
forgot
ahead.
it flies with the 5,000.
What do you usually fly on?
I'm flying with the 5 now. It's faster 5.
Oh my god, this thing's got a lot more power than it used to for some reason.
What did you do? Change the timing?
No, it's like a lot faster.
What battery are you flying?
The Admiral 5000.
Maybe it's the Admiral.
What have you been flying? The kind of hot line?
Yeah. This thing's wicked fast, man. Watch.
Well, there's no wind now. Mike says zip and by, and there's just this.
Whew.
Mike, you close one out of all.
What about Ray? He's right here.
Doesn't matter, I'm going by right now.
He's got the most power out of the 3 of us.
How much power is he?
I'm going by right now.
Yeah, Ray's faster.
I think Ray's is almost as fast as feeling data.
It is.
Oh, fuck, you're way up
I just went in between you two.
there. Wait, where's my plane? Oh, that's not mine.
You good?
Take your eyes off the plane, please.
I didn't.
The one that sounds
I
like
lost track.
the one that sounds like a leaf blower is Mike's. The 9-blade fan on the F-22 does not
Alright,
sound
I'm
good.
gonna do a slow, low pass.
Yeah,
Throttle off.
I'm with you, Mike.
You wanna form up?
No, I'm just gonna fly.
You guys wanna form up?
Go, go, go.
Me and Ray will form because we know how to fly.
Mike, if you can hold a line, we'll form up on you.
Alright, I'm holding line right now.
Mike, just fly.
Where are you? In the middle?
He's
Yep,
the one in the
I'm
middle.
on the
Okay,
down.
I'll
I'm
stay
down.
on his, I'll
Mike, just fly. We'll
just
follow
fly.
you.
Don't worry about us, just fly.
Me and Mike were doing some good formation earlier. Look at my lights.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, just fly, don't even
fly.
ask.
We'll follow you.
Yeah, don't even ask, we're good.
Whoa.
You're good. Doing 3 abreast.
Alright, I'm at 40.
You're good, don't worry about your throttle.
Yeah, Mike, you have.
We're
so much
flying low throttle,
You
you've got
have
a ton of
lot
battery.
time. Your timer's just a
I'll pull
reminder.
up to you.
That's me right there, Mike. Don't pull up.
That's you? Alright,
Yeah.
I thought that was right.
No, our
Just
planes.
fly your line, Mike.
Don't worry about us at
Don't
all.
worry
Just
about
fly.
us.
Yeah. I'm not even worried about my timer. I'm gonna keep flying.
6, 5.
Because we've been flying low throttle.
Ray, we gotta do a P-32 video.
Yes.
1.
Oh crap, that's right.
Time expired.
Is that you right in the
Yeah.
front there, Ray? Yeah.
Alright, running.
Alright, we'll escort you in. Lights look good, Ray.
They do.
Wonder who did them. Mike, don't be all butthurt because you don't have lights on yours.
Yeah,
You're coming in too fast.
He's good. Almost cut him off. Pretty cool, guys.
Good job.
Look at this.
Good job, everybody.
Gear down.
All right, I'm coming in next. Come on in. Come on in, Mike.
With you, Ray.
I'm off to the the end of the runway on the right.
I'll do a tight approach, Ray. You're on the
Okay.
left side, right?
Yeah, let me come closest to us.
On the right.
So just cross over.
You can just landing on the
No, it's too late. We're already in short corner. You're not gonna get it. If you do get it, it's gonna be a hold.
There's a weird bump right there.
There.
I don't think we've seen any good formation landing like that before, especially with lights like that.
Yeah.
Good job, Nate. I'll let you turn first and I'll come behind you.
My new top and bottom.
5
I
minutes over.
Nick, what are you doing?
feel like you're flying worse.
That was weird. Good stuff, guys.
I'm gonna stop right here, Ray.
Let me see it. Let me get a couple planes that I can still see and fly that first. I think your F-22 looks good at the sun down.
You want to do it right now?
No, because the sun's still up. You want to do it with the sun down?